Hello, friends. So, I want to take some time today to ask Mr. Carlos some questions because this is all about Carlos. There's a very big love hate relationship between Serrano Sauce and the detailing industry. So, I thought, what better way to bring this video to you than for me to just ask the man himself? Not just because Carlos is a great guy, I love him and his family, but because he's the reason behind it. He's the one that has shown this product to so many different detailers and they love it. But there is a lot of hate that surrounds it. And the only way to quash some of the misinformation or debate is to just ask him ourselves. So, Carlos, let me first say thank you for the opportunity to ask these questions. And my first question is, what is Serrano sauce? What is it?
First off, congratulations on your 1,000 subscribers. Secondly, I want to say thank you for giving me the opportunity to, conversate with you and talk about the famous Serrano sauce. Serrano sauce is a product that was kind of named by other detailers when this first started, right? But it's pretty much a chemical. It is a product that is combined with Super Clean and Dawn dish soap, two products that are hated in the industry, yet very effective for starter detailers and even detailers like myself who have been using it for quite some time. But it is a product that can work both interior and exterior.
Okay, fair enough. So, my next question is, how do you make it? Can you tell me how you mix it? What's your dilution rates and so on and so forth?
To make Serrano sauce, what you're going to be needing is a 32-ounce sprayer. You're going to need some Dawn dish soap and obviously Super Clean. To create it, it is very easy. We are going to be using only 1 ounce of this product. And all you got to do is just fill this up to the 1 ounce line. And we are going to pour it into our sprayer. And that is pretty much it. Next, we're gonna fill the rest with water. Just like that. And then the last piece to this whole puzzle is 8 drops of Dawn dish soap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is how you create the old famous Serrano sauce.
Well, looky there. You're using just a tiny bit of Dawn dish soap. Who'd have thunk it? Anyway, so my next question is it a detailing product? Specifically, a detailing product, or is it just a product that you can use for detailing?
To the professionals, no, this isn't a detailing product. But to me, it's definitely a detailing product. It's not a product specifically for detailing. You can use this product in multiple ways, multiple scenarios. When I started making Serrano sauce, the goal was to make it to a point where it was so affordable for detailers to use, both in the interior field as well as the exterior. At the end of the day, that brings nothing but savings to me in the long runs, even though I know some people hate APCs. when used correctly, Serrano sauce, it's a banger.
Now that's interesting. That's what I needed to know. If it was something that we could use for detailing. Thank you. Thank you for that. I appreciate that explanation. So my next question is along the same lines as, is it a detailing product? Is it safe? Is it safe for me to use in my detailing business? Am I going to do damage? I have my 2 rules: don't cause damage and get it clean. But is it safe to use?
Is it safe is a question I think a lot of people ask me all the time. And I want to be very honest. In my opinion, yes, Serrano sauce is safe to use on your interiors. Again, take it with a grain of salt. But in my opinion, it is very safe to use on interiors.
This is awesome. Thank you. I felt like I was using it right, but thank you for clarifying that for me. I really needed that. I really felt like that was something that maybe I was missing, but now we have it from you. So, okay, I'm going to keep going, and this is a pretty important question. You know, like I said, there's a lot of hate that's coming around about this. So, what I want to ask you is, does it damage the plastics? Does it dry them out? Does it damage them? You know, say I use it for the next year. Is it going to cause damage on my 6th detail, or am I still going to get the same results as if it were my first detail on that vehicle? So just wanted to kind of give you an opportunity to explain that to me.
And that is a really good question to ask is it going to damage my vehicle, my interior? Is it going to damage my plastics, my leather, my vinyl, right? And the answer to that is it won't. Again, if you dilute the product correctly, you shouldn't have any staining, any damaging, right? So it's very safe to use on your interior. To prove it, I pulled out my truck. It's been about 30 minutes right now. We are at 94 degrees out here with a humidity of 49%. Humidity doesn't really matter in this scenario. The point of this is I want to show you guys, is Serrano sauce gonna damage your plastic doors? Now here's my door. If there's gonna be any damage, we're definitely gonna see it on my door. This panel is hot, all right? And what I'm gonna do is we're gonna spray it on this door panel. And I'm spraying heavily because I want you guys to see if this product is going to stain. And we're just gonna sit here and just let this product just kind of take its course. I don't want to make the video very long. But here we have a little bit of makeup. One of the benefits of Serrano sauce is it does amazing when it comes to makeup. It does amazing. You can already see it cutting right through that grime like butter. You're also seeing it dry up on the top. You're starting to see this product just kind of dry off. And here, if you guys can see, Serrano sauce was sprayed on here and it's already drying up. Do you see any damage? You tell me. I'm literally leaving this product on the door panel. I'm not wiping it. I'm just letting the product pretty much bake. And you guys can see the heat is already starting to cut through this. We're not cutting this out because I really want to get the point across. Is, does Serrano sauce, like all these professionals say, you spray that, it's gonna stain your plastic on instant? Well, I don't know. You tell me if you see any staining. This is just grime. This purple stuff, that's just grime from hands, fingerprints. But Look at the door. I don't see no staining whatsoever. We're just gonna wipe it off. And there goes Serrano sauce. Once it dries up, look at that. No damage whatsoever.
So this is perfect. I sure appreciate you taking the time out of your day to explain this, give us all of the lowdown on it, everything. You know what I mean? So here's my final question. What would you say to somebody who wants to use Serrano sauce in order to do their detailing and add that to their arsenal? I just feel like we need to let others know that it is safe. It is okay. You're not going to hurt anything, but I would like for them to hear it from you, your experience with it, and so on.
For those who are wanting or are looking for a product that's gonna save you money, it's gonna save you time, I highly recommend you get Serrano sauce. Try it out. It doesn't hurt to try. What the professionals say is not professional. There is never a right or wrong way when it comes to detailing. So step out of your comfort zone. Go buy you a small bottle of super clean, little bottle of Dawn dish soap. All you need is 1 ounce of product, 8 drops of Dawn dish soap. Stir it up nicely. You're gonna get sudsiness. You're gonna get softness after you wipe it down, not damaging your plastics, not damaging your leather. Just try it out. I promise. It's gonna be a game changer for those who have those nasty interiors. So it's definitely a product that I want to tell people, hey, add it to your arsenal. Give me a try to show you what Serrano sauce is all about. Don't take it from me. Take it from other people who have tried it, have enjoyed it, and has made their detailing business a little bit better when it comes to cleaning their plastics. So add it to your arsenal.
So, Mr. Carlos, thank you so much for taking the time to collab with me on this. I felt like it was super important for other detailers to hear this. Usually it's just mentioned in passing in your videos. And I just felt like maybe if we took the time to educate about it only, nothing else, and not put everything else in there, that it would definitely help other detailers, and maybe it would squash some of the hate that's coming at it. So thank you so much. And thank you, friends. I sure appreciate you joining. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day.